So hello, this is Team Momentum, and our idea is Kevin, where we, which acts as an AI agents orchestration network, where we use techniques such as a web scraper agent as well as blockchain to give the users transparency as well as most optimization anywhere on the entire surface of the world. So I'll just show you our prompt. First of all, we have a local coin model which optimizes our local prompt in its own way, so that the tokens optimization is very best and the tokens cost is very least. So if you see, I'll just pause for a moment to make sure that the response is coming. So as you can see that the response has been optimized in its own way, and now if I pass it on to the Gemini LLM, then it will be assigning agents from this marketplace on the specifications of each of the agents based on their limitations and of tokens and how much tokens it is taking. You can see if I fire a log agent in between, then it will be able to detect that log agent too and will act according with that, ask for a huge amount of tokens for very inefficient answers. It will reject those log agents. You can see that in the live activity, and then it will assign new agents dynamically, and each of the transactions between these AI agents is recorded on the blockchain, which is controlled by another layer of Algorand. Each of the agents here has an ID to attach to it, wallet ID attached to it, which counts for the transactions between AI agents. Because what happens is that in real world, for example, humans pay to each other, but we have decentralized that using cryptography. We are using the same concept, but for tokens between AI agents. Now you could see that the AI agents has been working. So I will pause the video for the end result. As you can see that the output has been recorded. Now I will show you the Algorand's help in this thing in a bit. So now you can see that the view on Algorand, if I click on this, then it will take me to the page where it will be showing that the X402 has been implemented, because we all know that that is being used for payments and transactions as a level of security protocol, and the same thing is used here in case of tokens. So you can see that the transactions for each of the AI transfers between agents from this hand side, as well as the ledger from here, and the escrow and the economist budget, you can see for each of these tokens how much each agent has been taken, how much amount of tokens you can see from here. Which I have to clearly define is that the web scraper agent which we have put here, that is each of the agents have been getting detailed information which is being scrapped from from our web scraper agent, with which is making the tokens cost very lesser than previously. Previously it was 16 for 30 from the same prompt, but now it is just 11 for 30 tokens budget put for. And then you can see that how efficient it is and how much tokens it is only spent for only 11 tokens, has spent for 30 tokens budget. Thank you very much.